the human comes in, and they are the ones who have to figure out when, where, and how to apply that. And to me, that's where wisdom comes in. And what's great about philosophy is that one of the highest values is thinking about and arguing about what is true and what leads to a good life. And making the right sales pitch at the right time to the right people in the right way is a great way to be a wise salesperson.
And yeah, and you can't hack this. Like if somebody's like, oh, I've got a real easy hack for that, I'll just say, ChatGPT, what would Steve Jobs do in this decision making? Or what would Confucius do, right? Now, why wouldn't that work? Hacking wisdom.
Well, I think it would, but I'm going to have to read what ChatGPT says Steve Jobs would do and decide, is now the right time, the right place to do that. And famously, he was a terrible manager and even got fired for being such a terrible manager. And after he was humbled and made next and came back to Apple, he was still a pretty bad manager, but he was okay with that, and people were okay who worked for him because he made them create wonderful, beautiful things.